take care. If today's your first on this channel, I am so happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes. So we have been learning about means of communication in the olden days in Yoruba land. Okay. So today we're going to be talking about flute. And what I said flute was last week. Fèrè. Okay. And as you know, we need to greet everyone together in Yoruba language on the count of Enio, Ejo, Ẹ̀ta, Oya, Ẹ̀kaàrọ̀, Ẹ̀kaàsán, Ẹ̀kaalẹ́. A kú dédé àsìkò ní gbogbo tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni olùkọ́ Aunty Daycare. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ní àti bí ọ̀sẹ̀ bíi mélòó kan àti ń kọ́ nípa ọ̀nà ìbáraẹnisọ̀rọ̀ láyé àtijọ́ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ní ti tòní fèrè la máa sọ nípa. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni fèrè láàárín àwọn ọdẹ ló ti wọ́pọ̀ láyé àtijọ́. Àwọn ọdẹ tó bá wà nínú ìgbẹ́ tí wọ́n bá ń ṣiṣẹ́ ọdẹ wọn lọ, fèrè ló máa fi ń bára wọn sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣòye yín irú fèrè tó tún wà yàtọ̀ sí fèrè tá a mọ̀ máa wọn ọdẹ. Ṣòye yín ó dẹ̀ tún ní bó ṣe máa ń fọn fèrè àwọn ọdẹ yẹn máa fi díẹ̀ sí orí fọ́nrán ìkẹ́lẹ̀ gbọ́ bó ṣe máa ń dún fèrè àwọn ọdẹ. Ìmíì tó ta tún ní ni kàkàkí látún ní a tún máa ń lò tó tún jẹ́ oríṣi irúfẹ́ fèrè tá a tún ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Kàkàkí àmọ́ àwọn elédè Haúsá àwọn náà tún máa ń lò dáadáa lọ́dọ̀ wọn. Àmọ́ àwọn ọdẹ lọ́dọ̀ tiwa nílẹ̀ Káàárọ̀ Oòjíire àwọn ni wọ́n máa ń lo fèrè. Ṣó ti yé wa gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ ṣe mọ̀ èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì máa fi ṣàlàyé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí fún àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ó yá ẹ máa bá wa kálọ. Alright guys, so flute. In Yoruba land, flute is a means of communication that is very common among the hunters. Hunters, while they're in the wild, okay, hunting their game, they use the flute as a means of communication, okay, to check on each other, to see if they've caught something, if they're in danger, and all that, okay. Another form of flute, okay, so as you know, Yoruba call flute fèrè. Then there's another type of fèrè, it's called kàkàkí, okay, which I'm going to put a picture up as well. Kàkàkí. Now, kàkàkí is very common, really, with the northerners, the Hausas, but in Yoruba land also, we use kàkàkí also, but amongst our hunters, the flute is the most common one, okay? Alright then, that is it again for this week on means of communication in Yoruba language in the olden days, okay? And as you know, we're going to be saying our own support together on the count of Enio, Ejo, Ẹ̀ta, Oya, Thank you very much, Eshu.